Hi and good evening. I'm Xen Ovid-Sophron-Naso and I'm going to show you about a Windows Server demo. It's 2019 Datacenter, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you about the QNAP TS-h973AX NAS. It's an 8 GB that was upgraded to 16 GB. I've done a movie on that, but in this movie, well, demo, I'll be showing you on a Windows 10 compared with Windows Server. If I run any files on Windows 10 directly from the NAS here, you'll get a problem. But whereas in Windows Server I can get it to work without any worries. Watch this. So if I go to Systems and I go to the drivers and I go to Crystal Disk, watch what happens. I get this nonsense, and even if I try to filter that out, and I go here, I get this nonsense error, this error code here, which is a load of crap from. So Microsoft is blocking you from basically running your NAS, and you have to go through a heap of, like a hula hoop of bloody mind-boggling crap just to overcome the obstacles. Server, you don't have any of these hassles, and it works fine.
With Windows 11 Pro upgrade upgrading from Windows 10 21H2 into Windows 11 Pro upgrade, you'll still have the same problem because this is from Windows 10 builds 1803 and possibly 1809 and upwards. You'll get the possible blocks where you try to run an executable from your NAS and it seems to stop and block them. This is one of Microsoft's key problems that they've never bothered with to fix. They're basically preventing you running stuff from your NAS, and with Windows Server is the alternate to running it. Now, just to show you can do it the other way in here, and then when you go in here you can go here and right click and click on open, and you can get it in here and it'll show you Windows. So when you go down to about, it'll show you in here that this is Windows 11 Pro. It's 21H2. So that's what this is. So that's in a nutshell. But when you run programs, any program, it's hit and miss what will run from this, because Microsoft makes sure that their stuff works, but third parties are hit and miss if they work. Let's see if Corel Office, the old one that I sold off, let's just see if the actual program itself will run. This is WordPerfect 8. I doubt it would work on here. X8, sorry, it's the previous to the current. If I click on auto run, it actually will. Alright, so Corel and Microsoft stuff will run, because this is like a DVD which I copied, but if it's a download it won't. See, this is the actual download of it, X8. Oh, so okay, so even their download will run, but most things won't. But if I go to other programs, such as I want to now make a copy of Windows 11 on a memory stick, which is going to be tiresome, or Windows 10 I should say, from Microsoft, my Microsoft network account, partner network account, and I'm going to have headaches. So if I go back up, let's just see, if I go to Systems, Drivers, down to, say, Rufus, we'll see what will run. Rufus, as you can tell, to make Windows 10 or 11 you need it, and it won't run from the NAS, as you can see, with a lot of crap BS from Microsoft. Real Player, let's see if that'll run. Some programs will work and some won't. So this will work. So it's hit and miss what will and what won't work on Windows 11. You cannot guarantee that something will install directly from the NAS. But the best program to use, as I say, all the mind-boggling crap. I'm just going to exit out of that. And exit out. Are you sure? Yes. And exit out of that. Now, if I want to find out why I can't run stuff from my NAS, this is the real reason why. Run exe from my QNAP NAS. See, they think they solved it, but they haven't. Some of the things, I've been through all these mind-boggling bunch of mumbo jumbo, and even if you go through all this, you're not going to get very far. And then you go here and you get the same crap. You're not going to get anywhere. Look at all this crap that you've got to go through. You're not going to get very far with that either. So some things will work. There is a way of doing it, but I'm not going through. It should just, a program should be made. I shouldn't have to go through a degree course just to get my data to run and install from my NAS onto Windows. It should just work. Basically, the two companies are not talking with the other, and that's basically what it boils down to. They've got two separate ways of doing things, but from your server, from Microsoft Windows Server 2019 Datacenter, it works fine. This is Windows Server 2019 Datacenter, and just to show you, I'll just go here, and we'll go to Update, and then here, Windows Server 2019 Data Center, and then just to show you that it's up to date, and that's about it. It's just put on just for this demo. All the stuff from the QNAP TS-h973AX NAS works fine if run from executables, if run from it. That means I can go and select my Rufus and watch this. It runs properly, and this is because all of executables will run properly from here, as opposed to running it from Windows 10 or 11 with the bloody hard work and difficulty where it's touch and go what runs and what doesn't. It's usually Corel stuff and Microsoft stuff will work on there, but nothing else. In your registry, if you go to, it's there already, you type in regedit in there, and then you click OK, and under HTTP current user, HKey current user, sorry, you go to software, Microsoft, Windows, down to internet settings and zone map. Now, although I put this, that's actually in the wrong place, I'm going to delete that there. I was half asleep when I was waking up to do the, and it's under domains. So you put that in there. And then you right click and you click new, and you put in there at LDOMAIN, and that goes in there under domain, not under the zone map. The zone map you don't touch at all. It's actually under the actual domains itself, and you have that there. You can put this IP address from your NAS in here as well. So those two things you can do, and it'll show up either which way. There are instructions on the internet to do all this, so not to worry. It's been great with you, and see you in the next one.